Look at the scenery out here today, boys and girls. Looks foggy. Hey guys! So I've been quite away lately, but I'm back with a good recipe. Oh, okay, so this recipe is similar to the one I shared last week with the cherries, but instead this time it is grape jello instead. Check that out. It's pretty sticking together just by one night. The other time it took 2 nights, but it was like my first time making jello. So take a look at this cantaloupe. It's so interesting actually with all its pieces being connected like that. It is one very unique fruit. Hard to find in stores, I think. But knowing the stores these days, they get so integrated and international. You never know what comes next. It's so exciting. Alright, so let's begin. Getting that bullseye. Oh no, it's orange inside! Oh, hallelujah! That's a blessing. Oh my Jesus. I can already tell this. Woo! Bingo! So, basically 4 ingredients plus water, and it's a go. The other one tasted amazing, and it's like almost as if it's a cake flavor. Oh yeah, see how I did that? Yeah. Choppy choppy. I love doing them this way, triangle ways, but wow, it's gonna be my first time. Alright, so moving on. I'm not sure how big I want my drink to be, but on more, yeah. This is something else. Can you believe it? That the world has become so integrated, innovated, modernized. OMG, it is like baffling, gets you excited up in your underwear every morning. Yeah, pretty much. So then I'll just go in and add some milk. That should be perfect. And why not use a waist scoop for the jello? Oh yeah. Can you see it? Nice. Huh. I might just do one more. Bless up. And you know what? If you have protein powder with that, you are good. Alright, lastly, just going to go in. I won't add water, but there's should be 3 of these that are good. Yeah. Perfect. That'll do you. Oh, okay. Let's mash it up. Are you ready? Okay, what's good now? Oh yeah, the milkshake time. Okay, here it goes. How well did I do? Okay, I'm seeing my ring light everywhere when I close my eyes. Jeez.